Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are tired of worrying about chemical coatings peeling off your rice cooker pot, you are in the right place today. We are taking a deep dive into the Joydeem stainless steel rice cooker, specifically the DFB-D300 model in that gorgeous retro cream finish. Let us start with the standout feature here, which is the 316L stainless steel inner pot. Most modern cookers use non-stick coatings that inevitably wear down over time. Joydeem has ditched the coating entirely. This is a huge win for anyone concerned about health or longevity. Because it is uncoated, you do not have to worry about scratches from your utensils or hazardous materials leaching into your food. Now, you might be asking how it manages to be non-stick without a coating. This is where it gets interesting. Joydeem uses a combination of precise temperature control, a built-in fan, and over 200,000 micropits on the surface of the steel. These pits help create a microscopic water film during the cooking process, which prevents the rice from sticking. In my testing, it works surprisingly well. It gives you the durability of stainless steel with the convenience that we usually only expect from non-stick surfaces. In terms of performance, it is quite a versatile machine. You have 8 smart menu functions to choose from. Whether you are doing simple white rice, quick rice, or more complex items like congee, soup, or multi-grain mixtures, the interface is straightforward. The control panel uses an IMD finish, which is scratch-resistant and looks very sleek against that retro cream aesthetic. It is a compact unit with a 3-liter capacity, which is perfect for households of 2 to 6 people. It holds about 6 cups of uncooked rice, which is plenty for a standard family meal or a small gathering. Let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the build quality is excellent. The 316L stainless steel is top tier, the design looks fantastic on any countertop, and the cleaning process is much simpler than expected since you do not have to baby a delicate coating. On the downside, because it relies on micropit technology, you do need to follow the instructions for water ratios to ensure the best performance. It is a slightly different experience than a traditional Teflon-coated pot, so there is a minor learning curve. Ultimately, the Joydeem DFB-D300 is a perfect blend of style and substance. It is a high-quality investment for anyone looking to move away from non-stick coatings without sacrificing the ease of use that a rice cooker provides. It is reliable, safe, and it looks beautiful. If you want to upgrade your kitchen game with a healthier cooking option, this might just be the best choice you make this year. Link in the description.